Okay, guys, we're in this trade. We see the market push lower. Didn't want to go higher. We went long here, and we just did break even. Didn't work out. But as you may know, the market is at this high, so I don't think it's gonna go higher from here. And it's gonna pull a little bit lower. It's like here, it went up and it just turned around. They just want some room to play. Okay, so I hope this trade works out. We see a lot of selling here, big sellers. Okay, we just need to see more momentum. You see 1, 2. Okay, we see 1 up to 9 prints in the same second. Okay, we're gonna see if this has more follow through. The Nasdaq is going lower. Okay, we need to see more sellers. Need to see more sellers in the tape. Remember, guys, always the magenta arrows are the best signals. Okay, the magenta is aggressive selling. Lots of buyers in this area, but there's more sellers. Okay, sellers, come on. They want to go lower. Look at this open. These crazy bars printing. Yeah, the Nasdaq just stopped, but it's not going higher though. It's gonna turn around. Heat is part of the business, guys. You will always get heat from trades. You just need to have the conviction to hold to those trades. Okay, sometimes the market does that. And there's a lot of participants in this market. You're not alone. So you need to wait for these guys to go and just continue with the trade. Small selling, not too much of big selling in this area. 100. Okay, we need to see the bigger prints. Just time and sale just ducked. It's not moved. Let's see if we get another batch of sellers. Of course, they're shy. There you go, 1, 2, 3 in the same second. There's intention to go down, okay, guys. You need to check the prints, okay? This is giving you a good clue of what is going on there. Sellers starting to jump. Okay, the Nasdaq just turned around. Yeah, there you go. I see. You see, That's what I tell you. The Nasdaq is the follower. This is the guy to follow. Okay. But I don't recommend you. Well, of course, anybody can trade whatever they want, but I don't recommend you trade in the Nasdaq because the Nasdaq is too big of a contract. Okay, so it can move a lot, and you can get whipped, and you can lose $2,000 in 5 minutes. The S&P 500, the micro ES and the ES, you can work a little bit slower with them, so you can. There's not too much of a volatility. That's what breaks accounts. So that's what it works, guys. Okay, we sell conviction. The guys are pushing. There's a lot of batch of sellers again. You see the big sellers selling 60, 56, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same print in the same second. Okay, guys, push. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 in the same second. 248. We're gonna continue holding this trade, guys. Little bit of profit taken here. There you go. Small selling, not too big. We have a 48 from the last minute. Okay, guys. For example, if you're trading the micro ES and not trading the ES, you swap charts. Okay, so you put the micro ES here, and you accumulate the big lots here, and the ES will come here and will accumulate with all the other instruments, which are see the time and sale, which I have gathered the RTY, the YM, and the Nasdaq. Okay, so that's why I take this time and sales in to follow for a trade, because I can see the prints from all the instruments over here, so I don't need to see any other chart. Just need to see this one. So if I see a lot of sellers, I just keep on the trade, and if I see a lot of buyers, I go with the trade. There's the sellers pushing for. Yeah, it's medium-sized trades. There they go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are big prints. You see how these guys work? You see these guys how they work? They just test the waters and just wait for everything to clear, and then they drop the bomb. There they go, stair stepping down. Just slowly. You just need to understand what they're trying to do. Okay, so that's how this works. Nasdaq just stopped. So lots of buyers in this area too, but there was a lot of selling over here, so I don't believe these guys can turn around the market for now. I won't add to the position, guys. I don't like this type of volatility. where you can see the buyers coming in, sellers coming in, and just mixing. I will be taking the profit here, guys. Okay, I'm out, guys.
Target filled.
I don't feel this market is gonna continue for now. So that's it for today, guys. Just I would really appreciate if you give it a thumbs up for the videos if you like them, and there's the contact information in the description of the video. You can email me with questions you may have, and that's it for today. Okay, so if you have any question, just send it to me. You see, it turned around. Just watching the tape, guys. You see you see the tape over here was red, green. You see the bigger prints, up to 10 prints, green here. I told you it's profit taking, and somebody's turning around. You see the Nasdaq just consolidated here and turned around. They can go lower, but you just need to wait a little bit. You see the ES is not having that much follow through here. Only the smaller, the micro ES. Okay, there's the blue arrow. If you're a scalper, you could have got 4 or 5 ticks here, done for the day. Just need to see how the time and sale works. Okay, so you need to focus on the time and sales. Everything is here and here. Okay, so if you trade in the Nasdaq, you need to focus on the Nasdaq in here. And if you want try to focus on the micro ES a little bit, so you can use both. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching.